In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to upload your Suno AI generated song to DistroKid. Let's get started. First, download your finished track from Suno and make sure you have the commercial rights to distribute it under your Suno plan. Next, create a square cover image in JPG or PNG format with a minimum resolution of 1000 into 1000 pixels, making sure it's original and free of copyrighted content. Then log into DistroKid account. Click Upload and enter your release details, including your artist name, song title, genre, and release date. Upload your audio file and cover art, and if DistroKid asks whether AI was used, answer honestly. Select the streaming platforms where you want your song to appear, such as Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram, and Amazon Music. Then review all your details and submit your release. Your song will typically be delivered to streaming services within a few days. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.